FaheemShaheen English Practice. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to practice a real conversation at a restaurant. First, you will listen at normal speed, then we will listen again with pauses so you can repeat. Finally, we will learn some new words and phrases together. Let's begin. Let's start conversation. Good evening. Welcome to Bella's restaurant. Do you have a reservation? Yes, I reserved a table for two under the name Ali. Great, please follow me. Here's your table. Would you like to see the menu? Yes, please, thank you. Are you ready to order? Not yet. Could you give us few more minutes? Of course. Take your time. Excuse me, we are ready now. Wonderful. What would you like to start with? I shall have the tomato soup, please. I would like a green salad. Great. And for your main course? I would like grilled chicken with rice. I shall take the pasta with vegetables. Perfect. Would you like anything to drink? Just water, please. Thank you. Your food will be ready soon. How is everything? It's delicious, thank you. I'm glad to hear that. Excuse me, can we have the bill, please? Certainly, here. Your total is $30. Here's 40. Keep the change. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you. Goodbye. Vocabulary. Let's learn some useful words and phrases from this conversation. Reservation, booking a table before you arrive. Menu, the list of food and drinks. Main course, the biggest dish of your meal. Ending. Great job everyone. Today you practiced an everyday English conversation at a restaurant. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.